Hello everyone. My name is Aditi Sharma and the topic for my business environment video presentation is why economic development is more important than economic growth. Economic growth and economic development. Economic growth. Economic growth can be defined as the increase in the inflation adjusted market value of the goods and services produced by an economy over time. It is conventionally measured as per the percent rate of increase in real gross domestic product or real GDP. Essential of economic growth. Economic growth is a long run process. Economic growth shows higher rate of increase in real per capita income than rate of growth in population. Economic growth is always linked with the large increase in productive ability of the economy. Economic growth is connected with the fair distribution of income and wealth. Economic growth is attached with the reduction in poverty and unemployment. Economic development. Economic development refers to the process whereby the total supply of goods and services of the society increases, leading towards improved living standard. Structural changes of economic development. First, there is a change in the occupational structure. In economic development, there is increase in the share of labor force in the primary sector and increase in the share of labor force in secondary sector. There is change in the structure of national output. There is change in the structure of industrial production. There is a change in the structure of foreign trade. There is a change in the structure of technology. There is a change in the social and institutional sector. Economic growth is equals to annual increase in per capita income. Economic development is equals to economic growth plus structural changes. Difference between economic growth and economic development. On the basis of implications, economic growth refers to an increase over time in a country's real output of goods and services, GNP, or real output per capita income. Economic development implies an upward movement of the entire social system in terms of income, savings, and investment. Factors. Economic growth relates to a gradual increase in one of the components of gross domestic product: consumption, government spending, investment, net exports. Economic development relates to growth of human capital indexes, a decrease in inequality figures, and structural changes that improve the general population quality of life. Measurement. Economic growth is quantitative in nature. Economic development is qualitative in nature. Why economic development is more important than economic growth? Economic development is more important than economic growth because economic growth does not take into account the size of the informal economy. The informal economy is also known as the black economy, which is unrecorded economic activity. There is no universally accepted definition of what a developing country is. Neither is there one of what constitutes the process of economic development. Key differences between economic growth and economic development. Both economic growth and economic development are popular choices in the market. Let us discuss some major differences between them. Economic growth is the increase in real output of the country, whereas economic development is the increase in level of production in an economy. Economic growth does not consider the income from the informal economy. Informal economy is unrecorded in economic activity, whereas economic development takes consideration of all activities whether formal or informal. Conclusion. After examining the above information, we can say that economic growth is a subset of economic development. Economic development is a bigger concept than economic growth. Economic development uses various indicators to measure the progress in an economy as a whole. Thank you.